Hey guys, improvements here in the garage install cart. So a couple of weeks ago we went through all of this and we went back to open bins on this. Makes it really easy. We don't have to deal with the door flipping up and stuff like that. You can carry this in and refill it. We can lift this out and set it on the garage cart, on the door cart when we're pounding them in. Previously we had a box up here that was just kind of in the way, full of stuff. We took that off and we welded on this little shelf here. So now it's got a spot we can place our clipboard in. We've got spots for our hole saws that we use. We also have a spot for our square that we use when we're installing slat wall. And so it's out of the way. We just added in white stick there. Got holders for 3 drills. And then we also put in, these were on before with PVC pipe and just 1 bolt. We went ahead and welded those in place. And we've got a spot here for our clamps. And so much better setup now than what we had before. We can roll into the garage and we have everything that we need on there. And as well, we use these jacks that we set our cabinets on. We have the bottom of our garage cabinet sits up about 1 inch. And so when we start and we have this jack is all the way into the corner, sometimes there's a stem wall there, but the cabinet's going past it, or it's just kind of tough to get it in there. So what we did is, before we had a block of wood on the cart, that got lost. And the other day I was on a job, I said there's got to be a better way. So we just took a piece of square tubing. All of our jacks already have these holes pre-drilled into them. And we welded a couple of bolts on the bottom and some nuts on there to keep it steady. And so it just drops into place. That now allows us to set the cabinet up, not on the end, but kind of in the middle of the shelf. And then the front of this clears the aluminum so that we can put our jack handle on it and raise and lower it and not have it rubbing on the cabinet. Before we would have to, if we didn't have a block of wood, we would have to pull the aluminum off the front, just extra work, extra processing. So now it's on there. And then when we're not using it, it just lifts out. It's also there and it's not going to move when we're putting a cabinet on it. So one of our quick fixes on there. So the garage cart is looking really good. Been doing really good. We've been really killing it on our garage cabinet numbers. And part of that is that we're able to roll in and have everything right here at our hands. Don't have to do any walking extra motion. So this is one of our garage cabinet installs that we've got. And the other day I did this with a guy and we wheeled our cart in and went to work, and we were able to complete this entire install right here in 1 hour and 15 minutes. We were done, rolled our cart back into the van, and we were done.